Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into it.
Let's consider the device of the diesel engine and some differences from gasoline internal combustion engines. Structural features. Structurally, the unit represents a fairly large in size cylinder block of cast iron housing. In its cavity, the sockets with pressed liners, cylinders, are bored at a certain angle. In the block there are numerous sections around the liners which form a water cooling jacket. The constant circulation of coolant in the cavities of the block head prevents the engine from overheating. In its lower part, the block has a spherical bore pillow for installation, crankshaft mounting. A large node is considered to be the block head with mold sockets for valve bushings. An integral element of the motor remains wedge drive water pump, a conditioner compressor, generator. To the main units should be attributed mechanism of connecting rod and piston group, gas distribution mechanism, engine crankcase and lubrication system. It is these units, interacting with each other, that determine the characteristic of the power unit. If we exclude the fuel injector, high-pressure fuel pump, high-pressure injectors, reinforcement of individual parts, such as valves and pistons, then the structural elements of modern diesel and gasoline engines are not very different. Working process. The principle of operation of a diesel engine is to form and obtain useful work from the ignition of the fuel mixture. Here there is no mixing of diesel fuel with air and feeding it into the combustion chamber with ignition from a spark, as in the case of gasoline ignition systems. There is no ignition coil, trampeller, plugs, carburetor and other attributes of gasoline engines. The system delivers a regulated dose of fuel through a high-pressure pump. The presence of injectors and fuel filters predetermines the accuracy and smooth operation of the fuel system. The entire process is based on a high-pressure fuel pump that delivers fuel based on the operating mode. The system is pressurized by plunger pairs. The drive of the fuel pump is connected to the crankshaft. By pressing the gas pedal, the functions of regulating the rate of fuel corresponding to the engine speed are performed. Nozzle, fuel filter. Together with the fuel injector, the injectors are an extremely important part of the fuel system. Their function is to deliver a specific dose of fuel into the combustion chamber. The pressure at which the nozzle opens is equal to the value required to maximize the crushing of the diesel and create a fuel mist. The prerogative of the fuel filter includes the possibility of fine fuel purification. But the main function is based on the separation of water from the fuel. Therefore, the filter needs periodic removal of water sediment through the drain cock. The electric heating system helps to prevent critical cooling and subsequent fuel waxing, which facilitates quick startup of a cold engine. Starting, turbocharging. Cold starting is facilitated by a preheating system, for which purpose the combustion chamber is specially equipped with candles with a glow plug function that glow up to 900 degrees Celsius. The degree of heating is indicated by a signal lamp on the dashboard, twisted spiral. As the engine runs steadily, the plug automatically goes out. In some vehicles, the plugs are turned off at the moment power is applied to the starter. The device of the turbocharging system injection system. The most effective fuel injection system is considered to be common rail. The principle of operation of the system is that the fuel is accumulated in the main ramp, from which it goes directly to the injector. And this is a way to save fuel, low noise from the working stroke and exhaust gases. During the cycle of operation, the device performs two stages of injection. A very small amount of fuel at the beginning and the main portion to maximize the combustion effect. In conclusion, understanding the device and design features of the diesel engine is essential for appreciating its efficiency and reliability. From the robust construction of its components to the intricate fuel injection systems, each aspect plays a crucial role in optimizing performance. As we continue to innovate and improve diesel technology, these features will evolve, ensuring that diesel engines remain a vital part of our transportation and industrial sectors. Thank you for watching, and we hope this exploration has deepened your knowledge of diesel engines.